As soon as I heard the Avengers had this super banter-filled duel with Ultron on one of these old ships, I just had to come check it out. Also, I was really hoping to catch Hulk for one of those Hulk selfies I keep seeing online. I figured one with the ships in the background would be pretty hype, right? Okay, which of these boats do you think the fight happened in? Gosh, I feel like a kid in a candy store. A candy boat store! No way. Ultron robots? Seriously? Oh, this is so win. See this fist? This is the biggest fist you've ever seen. And this one is even bigger! See this fist? This is the biggest fist you've ever seen. And this one is even bigger!
What do you want?
You know, I think these waves of goons are trying to tell us something. I think this is the boat! See this fist? This is the biggest fist you've ever seen. And this one is even bigger! Okay, I've picked my boat. I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. Hulk. Awesome! That's my new full wallpaper right there. You know, that whole Avengers fight on the boat story sounded uncannily similar to this fanfic I wrote, where Captain America and Hawkeye were sailors. Well, okay, maybe they both just involved boats in some way. Anyway, my mom's probably wondering where the heck I am. Gotta go!